Hi, my name is Pooja. I'm from India. I chose the digital marketing certificate because I've always been interested in marketing and creative communication, and digital marketing is something that you just need to know in this climate. The curriculum itself is very unique. It's got a lot of features that other programs might not have, like practical hands-on experience, the opportunity to work with external clients and present marketing research and strategy to them. And it's got simulation strategy games, which is played usually at like graduate business school levels, which we have the opportunity to do with our certificate program. And the interactions among the students just opened my eyes. There's so much to learn from everyone because they've all come in from different parts of the world and they bring their own culture and experiences to the table, and it's like the world has just expanded in such a short period of time for me. Classroom discussions and conversations outside the classroom have just been an amazing experience.